Did you know that pairing blueberries with certain foods can lead to cancer? Did you know that even blueberries, those tiny guardians of eye health, have their friend and foe when it comes to food pairings? Yes, blueberries, brimming with antioxidants and known for their health benefits, can be part of some less than ideal culinary duos. Fear not, for I've gathered a treasure trove of wisdom on this very topic. I'm about to reveal the top 5 culinary allies and adversaries of blueberries, guiding you towards safeguarding your diet with every bite. First up, 5 best combos for blueberries. Number 1. Blueberries and dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, or broccoli. This combination is a nutritional powerhouse. Dark leafy greens are rich in fiber, vitamins, and phytochemicals, which help prevent the development of cancer. These greens, particularly spinach and kale, are loaded with chlorophyll, a compound known to block the carcinogenic effects of heterocyclic amines produced when grilling foods. When paired with blueberries, which are brimming with antioxidants like anthocyanins, this duo helps neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of cancer, particularly in the colon and digestive tract. Number 2. Blueberries and green tea. Green tea is another potent source of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are known for their cancer-fighting properties. Combining blueberries with green tea can result in a synergistic effect, enhancing the body's ability to fight oxidative damage and inflammation, both of which contribute to cancer development. Drinking a cup of green tea with a handful of blueberries provides a concentrated dose of protective compounds. Number 3. Blueberries and turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that has been widely studied for its cancer-preventing properties. When consumed with blueberries, the antioxidants in the berries complement the anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric. This combination is particularly beneficial in reducing the risk of cancers associated with chronic inflammation, such as colorectal and pancreatic cancer. Adding blueberries and turmeric to a smoothie or oatmeal can be a delicious and health-boosting start to the day. Number 4. Blueberries and nuts, almonds, walnuts. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, both of which are linked to cancer prevention. Omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage. When combined with the cancer-fighting properties of blueberries, this duo helps protect against cancers, particularly breast and prostate cancer. A handful of mixed nuts with blueberries makes for a nutritious, cancer-preventing snack. Number 5. Blueberries and whole grains, oats, quinoa. Whole grains are packed with fiber and nutrients like selenium, which play a key role in cancer prevention by detoxifying harmful substances in the body. Fiber from whole grains also helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system, reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Pairing blueberries with whole grains, such as in a blueberry oatmeal breakfast, combines the fiber and antioxidant power to form a formidable defense against cancer. This combination of blueberries with nutrient-dense foods and ingredients creates a strong protective shield against the development of various cancers, helping to enhance their natural cancer-preventing properties. Now let's talk about the 5 worst blueberry combinations. While blueberries are widely recognized for their health benefits, combining them with certain unhealthy substances or foods may diminish their positive effects or potentially increase the risk of health issues. However, it is important to note that no specific food combination has been conclusively proven to cause cancer directly. That said, some combinations may pose health risks due to high sugar, processed foods, or carcinogenic compounds. Here are 5 worst combinations with blueberries that could contribute to long-term health concerns, including cancer risks. Number 1. Blueberries with artificial sweeteners. Combining blueberries with artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, saccharin, or sucralose can potentially counteract the health benefits of blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. These antioxidants are known to play a role in preventing cancer by neutralizing harmful free radicals. However, artificial sweeteners, especially when consumed in high amounts through processed foods or drinks, may pose health risks. Some studies on animals have suggested that artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin may be linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, such as bladder cancer. While evidence in humans is still inconclusive, these sweeteners have raised concerns about their long-term safety. When consumed regularly, Artificial sweeteners may disrupt the body's metabolism and microbiome, potentially leading to inflammation and insulin resistance, which are both risk factors for cancer. Incorporating artificial sweeteners into a diet that includes blueberries may negate the fruit's cancer-fighting properties. Instead of helping to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, the combination could contribute to an environment that promotes cancer development, especially when artificial sweeteners are consumed excessively. For a healthier option, natural sweeteners like honey or stevia may be preferable. Number 2. Blueberries with processed meats. Combining blueberries with processed meats like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, or deli meats can introduce harmful carcinogens into the body, diminishing the health benefits of blueberries. While blueberries are rich in antioxidants that protect against oxidative damage, processed meats contain preservatives like nitrates and nitrites. When these chemicals are exposed to high heat during cooking, they can form nitrosamines compounds that have been associated with an increased risk of various cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Processed meats have been classified as Group 1 carcinogens by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, meaning there is strong evidence that their consumption increases the risk of cancer. Nitrosamines, formed during the cooking process or within the digestive tract, are known to damage DNA and promote cancer development. When blueberries are consumed alongside these carcinogen-producing meats, the positive effects of their antioxidants may be offset by the harmful compounds from the meats. The combination may create an environment in the body that encourages inflammation and oxidative stress, conditions that promote the growth of cancer cells. To maximize the health benefits of blueberries, it is advisable to avoid pairing them with processed meats and instead opt for healthier, whole food options. Number 3. Blueberries with high fructose corn syrup, HFCS. Pairing blueberries with foods or drinks containing high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, such as sodas, candies, or processed snacks, is not a healthy combination. Blueberries are known for their high antioxidant content, including anthocyanins and flavonoids, which help reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer. However, HFCS, a cheap and common sweetener found in many processed foods, can undermine these benefits. HFCS is metabolized differently than regular sugar, leading to excessive fat production in the liver and contributing to conditions like obesity and insulin resistance. Both of these conditions are significant risk factors for cancer, particularly cancers of the breast, liver, and colon. Additionally, HFCS is linked to chronic inflammation, another major contributor to cancer development. When blueberries, which are rich in health-promoting antioxidants, are combined with HFCS-laden foods or beverages, the potential for health benefits is reduced. The sugar overload from HFCS can spike blood sugar levels, leading to increased insulin production, which promotes cancer cell growth. Furthermore, chronic inflammation caused by excessive sugar intake may negate the protective effects of blueberries, making this combination detrimental in the long term. For better health, it's wise to avoid pairing blueberries with high-sugar processed products. Number 4. Blueberries with deep-fried foods. Combining blueberries with deep-fried foods, such as fried chicken, donuts, or French fries, may diminish the health benefits of the fruit and introduce harmful carcinogens into the body. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, protect cells from oxidative damage, and reduce inflammation. However, deep-fried foods, especially those containing starch, can produce acrylamides during high-temperature cooking. Acrylamides are chemicals formed when starchy foods like potatoes or bread are fried, baked, or roasted. Acrylamides are classified as potential carcinogens by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, meaning they have been linked to an increased risk of cancer, particularly in animals. While human studies are less definitive, long-term exposure to acrylamides is still a concern for cancer risk, especially for cancers of the digestive system and reproductive organs. When deep-fried foods are consumed with antioxidant-rich blueberries, the protective effects of the berries may be reduced. The antioxidants in blueberries work to reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress, but the introduction of carcinogens like acrylamides can counteract these benefits. Regularly pairing blueberries with fried foods may lead to an increased cancer risk, making it advisable to avoid this combination for better long-term health outcomes. Number 5. Blueberries with alcohol, especially hard liquor. Combining blueberries with excessive alcohol consumption, particularly hard liquors, can be harmful to health. Blueberries are celebrated for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from damage. However, alcohol, especially in large quantities, is a known carcinogen and can diminish these protective effects. Alcohol consumption is linked to several types of cancer, including cancers of the mouth, liver, esophagus, breast, and colon. Alcohol promotes oxidative stress by generating free radicals, which damage cells and DNA, creating an environment where cancer can thrive. Excessive alcohol consumption also interferes with the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients, such as folate, which is crucial in DNA repair and cellular function. When alcohol is consumed alongside blueberries, the antioxidants in the fruit may not be able to fully exert their protective effects due to the overwhelming oxidative stress caused by alcohol. In fact, regular alcohol intake may cancel out many of the health benefits of blueberries, leading to chronic inflammation and an increased risk of cancer. To maximize the benefits of blueberries, it is best to avoid consuming them with alcohol, particularly in excessive amounts. These combinations do not directly cause cancer by themselves, but they may increase cancer risk factors by promoting inflammation, oxidative stress, or exposure to harmful chemicals. Thanks for watching.